Welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we celebrate the power of plants and traditional wisdom to nurture our health. Today we're exploring 5 remarkable homemade alcoholic drinks you can create right in your kitchen, each offering unique benefits for your body and spirit. Whether you're an experienced fermenter or just curious about crafting your own nourishing beverages, you'll find inspiration here to start experimenting with nature's gifts. Herbal honey mead. Mead is one of humanity's oldest fermented drinks, blending honey, water, and yeast into a smooth, slightly sweet tonic. To enhance its benefits, infuse your mead with calming herbs like chamomile or lemon balm. These herbs bring soothing properties that may ease digestive discomfort and promote restful sleep. Honey itself is rich in trace minerals and antioxidants, and when it ferments slowly, it creates a drink that can support gut health through gentle probiotic activity. When enjoyed moderately, homemade mead is a comforting elixir that feels like an invitation to slow down and savor the moment. Elderberry wine. Elderberries have long been prized for their immune-supporting qualities. Crafting elderberry wine allows you to preserve these potent berries in a form that's both delicious and healthful. The fermentation process helps unlock their antioxidants and vitamins, creating a rich, tart wine that can be sipped to support circulation and bolster your defenses during cold seasons. Because you control the ingredients, you can avoid excessive sugars or sulfites, making your elderberry wine a more wholesome alternative to store-bought varieties. Herbal bitters tincture. A small glass of herbal bitters has been a traditional remedy for sluggish digestion and bloating. Creating your own bitters involves steeping herbs like dandelion root, gentian, and orange peel in high-proof alcohol. The resulting tincture is intensely aromatic and deeply supportive of digestive enzymes and bile flow. Just a teaspoon before meals can prime your stomach for better nutrient absorption and reduce discomfort after eating. For many gardeners, crafting bitters becomes a cherished ritual that connects you to old-world herbalism in the most practical way. Ginger lemon fermented ale. Ginger is renowned for calming nausea and supporting circulation, while lemon brightens the palate and provides vitamin C. A naturally fermented ginger lemon ale brings these two ingredients together in a lively, effervescent drink that's far gentler on the body than commercial sodas or beers. By relying on natural wild yeasts or a gingerbug starter, you can create a mildly alcoholic ale that delivers probiotics and a refreshing zing, perfect for sipping on warm afternoons in the garden. Hawthorn berry cordial.